What's going on, guys? We back at it. We out here grinding, out here trying to function. And today's Friday, so like I promised, there is a video gonna be posted today. It's gonna be tonight. Obviously, you'll see. So we're out here early in this morning. Well, early. I would say like 11. 11's early for me, and I'm ready, dressed up and stuff, to get this grinding out here, about to work out. Look, I got the time lapse ready, so I'm gonna get into the film. I just got done working out, you know, really dead right now. First, I'm gonna take a shower, then eat, and then I'll let y'all know what's happening next. My grandma made tacos last night. We out here. Bam!
There's nothing in it. You're bluffing.
So we out here. You already know. We out here. Check it. Yeah. Anyways, so what we got here is Nerf guns. I'm about to take this little bad boy, and I don't need ammo. So what I'm gonna do, what we're gonna do is, whoever gets shot twice, that's their dead life. So if I shoot him once, he got one more life, and then if I shoot him after that, it's over, and then vice versa. So, let's get into this. Where are you? Got you. Got you, I won.
I didn't know you had another bullet.
Woo! We out here.
I didn't even shot a bullet.
We out here running, out here trying to function. Round 2. So we are going to be shooting at a basketball, football, and a tennis ball. And what I'm gonna do is throw it in the air. First one who shoots it first goes on to the next one, and we'll see how this goes. So let's do this thing. Yeah. All right, so I will be standing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet away. So you ready? Oh. My turn? Yeah. Oh, I missed. Ready?
Oh, did you see that?
No.
Did you see that?
No.
They were too fast. But
I think I got this one.
you think? Are you good?
I think I got this one.
Got? No, I almost got it. It's like by inches.
Are you serious? I am so close.
No, dude. That's how I did.
Alright, I got this one.
You got it?
Yeah. Wait. I'm not even standing in the right spot.
I'm like, dude, just
What the? I'm cheating here.
cheated.
I've been cheating. Yes!
No!
Yes!
Wow!
Yeah, baby. Let's get it.
You're so lucky.
Oh, my hand's in the way. We out here. We out here grinding. Out here trying to function.
Wow. That was just luck.
So basketball goes to me, and on to the football. Ready?
Yeah. Imagine first one.
Oh. Oh.
That was you, dude.
That was you.
I thought you saw it.
Oh, it curved. It curved on me. That's cheating. Ready? Go. Oh! What the heck? This is a tiebreaker. And it's the worst one ever. So unfortunately at this part, my brother and I were missing every single shot with the tennis ball. It was really, really difficult. So we decided to put this container of all our sports balls and stuff into it. And we put the tennis ball on top. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to that part. Let's get it. We are back. You already know.
Yup.
You already know. Tell them how it is.
Good.
All right, ready? So we decided to, it was very difficult for us, so go ahead. Go.
Where did that one go? Hey, back up, kid.
See? Okay.
Dude, my legs are like shaking.
Go.
What happened?
You like totally missed.
I know. It's like once you really hit like the back wall, you're like, oh heck no, I did. That's how I did.
Ready?
Yup.
Damn it!
You totally.
Same exact thing as
You tell me to miss it and then it comes back out.
That's funny. Ready? I was waiting for you.
I'm like trying.
Oh, that one was really close. I have it on video. You could see it on the camera.
For
It
real?
legitimately went like right over it. It went.
Oh, dude, I almost dropped your phone.
Oh, don't even.
Oh, dude, all you see is some fast bullet come across this screen and just like die.
Oh, you're getting close. It went like right here.
Are you kidding me?
Better not drop it.
Dude, they just gonna see.
Gosh, fucking shit, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, you were close.
You
Yeah.
cheater. You cheater.
You gotta face the camera. Hurry up, dude.
But there's it. That's the end of the video, guys. This is Crazy Chris's brother, and
Thank you guys for watching.
thank you guys for watching, and peace out.
No, please like and subscribe
Please like and subscribe,
for more.
cause I like views, and I'm gonna do clickbait now. Yeah, you know this show, yo. You know. We out. Pieces.